Assalamu alaikum, pretty all listener. Good time to all of you. This is Mohammed Frantali. I am an English learner. That's why every day I would like to practice English. I believe it. If I want to be a fluent English speaker, I have to every day practice in English. Otherwise, I won't be a fluent English speaker. That's why where I stay, what do I do, it doesn't matter. But matter is I have to practice in English. That's why at this moment I am stay my land, because you can see my behind side. This is my land, and I am watering my land. I have been oven the jute. So you know or don't know, I don't know, but jute cultivate, when I have to oven the jute. After that I must have to give water, otherwise jute cultivate is impossible. So right now I am watering my land. In the morning I have started my water farm. My behind side water farm, you can see this is my water farm, and my behind side all is my land. So this year the land is very dry because the rain didn't come this year. Before 2024 year, maybe winter season three times or four times come water, but this year one time or two time come rain, but this is very little. That's why our village and our village beside, as well as this is my district, all land need to more water give. For example, before year I needed 3 liters. This is this land, but this year already I have given in my water farm 6 liter oil, but water is not complete in my land. That's why after Asur complete I went shop and I have bought 1 liter more oil, and maybe this 1 liter oil need for properly watering my land. So at this moment I am feel very good, because my infant side is south side. I can see this side seems to be cloud. That's why the air coming and the air is very cold, and I am feel very cool. So every day, most of the time, I have made video afternoon time, because afternoon time weather, I feel cool the weather, and I feel very enjoy afternoon time. That's why I would like to make video afternoon time. So no more today, maybe my land is water give complete. I have to end my water farm, and all, as well as I have to end this video. That's all about pray for me. I'm so into love my parents.